Okay, you may have just watched my earlier videos where I cleaned my MacBook Air with this CyberClean product. I'm now going to finish off by doing the screen. The illusion is my laptop's upside down because I want to concentrate on this and I want to be able to push on it reasonably firmly, and I don't want to be wobbling and pushing on the hinge. So this is isopropyl alcohol. For those that can read it, IPA, it's sometimes abbreviated as, but it's isopropyl alcohol. I'm probably saying it wrong, but it's flammable. It's a very alcohol-based solvent, but it's quite common to be used, and you need a proper lint-free cloth, lens cloth, screen cloth. I actually just put a few drops straight onto the screen, making sure it's not too near the edge. The MacBook Air screen's very well sealed, so it's not going to suddenly leak into inside. This product, of course, will evaporate very quickly. That's part of its beneficial properties. Not only does it go to the grease and gunk, but it won't leave any streaks or smears behind. And I'm going to just do a very simple, let's get it quite lightly all over, a very quick, simple wipe. And already, you probably can't see it as anywhere near as clear as I can, but already I've got a fantastically clear screen. So I'm very happy with that. I'd say my monthly clean is done, and thanks to my screen cloth, isopropyl alcohol, IPA and CyberClean, that's a good job, and my Radtech keyboard and screen cleaner can be used to keep this extra clean, extra dust free, and it's a very handy rag cloth to have for just little spots and spits if somebody uses their cheesy finger and goes, look at that on the screen there, which happens all the time, as you know. So that Radtech cloth is really perfect, works well with MacBook Air, it's a good size, stays within the unit, and just gives that extra little bit of protection. I've never had an issue with transfer from even sticky fingers from the keyboard going onto the screen, because the way that the screen's got a recess, you can probably just hear me as I run my nail across the edge there to show there's a good, maybe just under a mil, but it's about a millimetre depth where the screen is recessed away from this aluminium border, and the keys on the MacBook Air are very flush with the actual body, so you actually get this 1 millimetre gap which just keeps the screen and the keys away. Even with reasonable robust pressure, you don't get key smears on the screen. However, I do recommend these little dinky Radtech cloths. They're very good material, and made of a slightly thicker, more robust kind of screen clean material, so you can use it for spot cleans as well, etc. Brilliant unit.